Hey everybody, welcome back to a third video of Mastercollector. Yeah, so today we're on the second part of the Black Friday tins. Today we're gonna open the Sylveon tin, so I can't wait because this has been sitting in my desk for a few days. It is very tempting to open, so I get to finally open it today. So I changed my setup again because during the other ones, the first one was mad messy, and then the second one's the car. These things would keep on falling during the videos. So yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me add something real quick. Alright, so I added this tin. It's pretty nice. The Shining Legends tin. But I'm gonna move it a little back because I don't have that much space really. So let's just start opening there. Well, I don't need scissors this time, right? Probably not. Hold on, it's strong, man. I promise I'm strong. Promise I'm strong. Alright. I think that worked. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Yeah, I'm a strong man. My teeth is pretty strong. Pretty strong. ASMR. And the trash can you go. And by the way, before we open this, let's check out this beautiful tin. We got Sylveon, Espeon, Emporion, I forgot, but it's the back. If you want to pause and read this stuff, I don't really care about it, but sure. Alright, let's get to opening this bad boy. I forgot sleeves, so yeah, it'll be fine. I got the beautiful Sylveon V card. Oh shoot, okay. We got the code card. You guys, TCG lovers here. Hold on, let me get the sleeve real quick. Get some sleeves. And this time, we're gonna use EV sleeves for today. And if we get something nice, oh shoot. My apologies, guys. Technical difficulties here. As I was saying, got some EV sleeves, and we get something very nice. I got top loaders. And also, check out, I used the top loaders for the pose I got from my football card video. So make sure to watch that video. Like it. Yeah. Alright, the packs are the same as last time. Having 2 Scarlet and 2 Paldea Evo. Let me move this real quick. Alright. I'm gonna start with a Scarlet and Violet this time. I got no space at all. I gotta move this tin out of the way, bruh. I forgot I could see the code card. I think I just saw it. I think it's white, but white is fine. The code card. Don't forget, it's only 1 to the front, not 4. So we got ourselves a Blue Energy, Kirla, a Switch, Coco. I don't know what that says, bruh. Quaxwell, Xshare, Lizzie, Purple. Wait. Oh, for my first pack. But it was like stuck. I don't know what happened. It was like stuck to the thing. Hold on. I'm not using these EV sleeves. I got other sleeves. Alright. We got clear sleeves. Let's use these instead. Oh, I got grab 2. Oh man, that is beautiful. And let me get a top loader real quick. I don't know how much this card's worth. Probably like $10, but still, it's pretty good pull. Pretty good pull. Bam, man, beautiful top loader. Beautiful. That will be a PSA 10 for sure. PSA 10 for sure. Let's get the Paldea evolved. Oh man, there's something in my eye, man. Wait, what color was the code? Oh, it was white, so I guess it doesn't matter if it... I don't think it matters like what the color code is anymore, but... And it's black. Shoot. Alright, we got ourselves a cold card for y'all. Another Bubble Energy. A Giraffe. Great Ball. A Roar. A Quaxley. A Twa Flame. Talon Flame. Another Great Ball. Primate, and a Jump Love Hollow. Okay, not bad, but not the best. So yeah, let's put these out of the way. So it's another Scarlet Belt pack. Yeah, I got like no pulls last time, but hey, we got that beautiful full art, right? Oh shoot. Basic energy switch. Launcher. Sorry about that. Skittle. Screw. No sword. Butter. Trio.
Happy New Year!
Oh, that's beautiful. It's my first EX I pulled. Actually, or my second maybe, but I don't know. Scarlet Violet doing me good, bro. They be doing me good. Sorry, they be doing me good. Beautiful. Now, last pack magic. I don't believe in that jump, but still. Let's see if we get something good in this pack. Probably not, because it's probably evolved, but we'll find out in a little bit. I low-key miss Sword and Shield sets, bro. Those are fun to open with the fees and stuff, man. Those are entertaining. And like the card trick was fun too. Alright, we got ourselves a Steel Energy, a Mukahita, a Magikarp, Litleo, Slowpoke, Magmius, Gast, Toxic Rook, Poor War, Romy, and then a Veluza. Alright, today was a pretty good day. Polls. So the polls we got is a Miraidon EX and this beautiful Tia Star Grunt full art. Yeah, so this is pretty good. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you all for watching. So yeah, thank you all for watching. So see you guys later. Peace, y'all.